Oh, that's nuts, Millie.
I touch that 5 for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I thought I like you, that's I do it. All of them around you scared of you. I'm not. Long as you joking, now it's for me. I got it. I've been scheming, do it. I ain't your body. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. So the truth, I look better under you.
Back to the channel. So I am back today with another video, and in today's video we're featuring Asteria Hair. Big shout out to Asteria Hair for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So today we have a 6x6 transparent lace closure wig. This is a straight texture highlight wig. This is the color P1B-30. A few more specs on this hair. You can get this from 14 inches all the way up to 24 inches. You can get this in either a 6x6 closure or a 13x6 frontal. Both are transparent lace. As far as density, this is 180 density and it is full. I love the density on this wig. Cap size is a medium cap size, so it's about a 22.5 inch in circumference. I typically wear a medium cap size in all wigs, but this one, because it was a 6x6, I did have to take the adjustable straps in the back and cross them over just for a better fit. But once I did that, it fit perfect. So you get those adjustable straps along with an elastic band inside of the wig, so it is definitely secure. To be a transparent lace, this has to be some of the better transparent lace that I've worked with, because I did not have to tint this lace. So you'll notice when working with different lace types that there are some transparent laces that give off more of a white cast, and I always say with that type of lace you want to tint your lace. You can use makeup, you can use spray, whatever it is that you use to conceal and tint your lace. With those types of transparent lace, I highly suggest that. But for this one, I did not have to use any tints at all. I didn't even have to use powder at the end of the install. I used the Even Lace Tint Spray, the red can, and it melted right into the skin. So it's a simple install because it is a closure. So for the look today, I wanted to try something different. Did lightly layer the wig. Simple install, the hair is straight. I did not lift the knots on this wig. They came fairly light, so I do want to mention that. You will have to do a little bit of work. I did do some tweezing, but that was it. Easy install. The wig is basically ready to wear with a few tweaks here and there. I will have all the specs down in the description box. I'll also have a discount code. Shout out to Asteria Hair for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to y'all for watching another video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
I be so sick of you niggas, y'all contradicting. I be so bored myself, nigga, come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, still make it one round me. Treat me like corduroy, wear me out. Arguments, you hurt me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no promise with you, boy, can we just rub it out? I don't wanna stay with you, you know you my plug, and I can't shake this time enough. I've been down, baby. Let me reminiscing. Let me on the missing. You wishing was different than what it was. I've been down, baby. Lost in the lion first. Lost in no finding us. I've been down, baby. If you wonder if I
holy grail, you know that. You gon' make me need bail, you know that. Hot chippin' with your friend, you ain't even had me lying, you know that. Got me a bag for the brick, you know that. Control don't slow the pace if I throw back.